Imagine making $100,000 from the cryptocurrency market, traveling to Dubai, Maldives, or Bali, or any other amazing place you have dreamt of traveling to, living the life of your dream. That is what you get to do when you learn how to trade and invest in the cryptocurrency market the best way and implement the things you learn. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I am Arab the Plug, and in this video I'll be talking about how to make your first $100,000 from the cryptocurrency market. $100,000 seems to be a lot of money in the cryptocurrency market and even anywhere in the world. And if you look at our society, you would see that even in the first world countries, not a lot of people are able to make $100,000 a year. So now let's come to think of it. There are some people in the cryptocurrency market that make $100,000 in a month. Sometimes some people make it in 2 months, in 3 months, in 4 months. Some people make it in a week, and also some people make it in a day. Even though making this kind of money from the cryptocurrency market may have something to do with how much capital you use to trade or invest, how robust your portfolio may be, but sometimes it may also be because of the technicalities that you have mastered or some of the skills that you have perfected in trading the cryptocurrency market. So in this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can make your first $100,000 from the cryptocurrency market. I'll talk about how much you can use to start your crypto journey, how you can build a robust cryptocurrency portfolio from the scratch, and how you can maintain money, because sometimes people make money from the cryptocurrency market and they end up losing this money back to the market. Make sure you stick around till the end of this video so that you'll be able to get maximum value from the content or from the information I'll be delivering to you in this video. The first tip I'm going to give you on how to make your first 100K in the cryptocurrency market is to invest in established coin. We all know that making money from the cryptocurrency market is in different forms. You can make money as an investor, you can make money as a trader, you can make money as someone that does airdrop. You can have crypto project that you pull out and make money from, but I'll be focusing on investing for the sake of the first tip on how you can make money from the cryptocurrency market. You all know investing means simply buying cryptocurrency at a very lower price and selling it at a higher price. Let's say, for example, $100 worth of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was $171 during the first bear market in the cryptocurrency market, and you hold the Bitcoin today, it would be worth more than $250,000. So you now have a clue of what kind of money or what kind of return you can get from Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. So now let's get into it. I said investing in established coin. This is the first tip on how to make your first $100,000 in the cryptocurrency industry. If you have a lot of money to invest, there are ways you invest. And if you have a little amount of money to invest in cryptocurrency market, there are also some other strategies that you use to invest in the cryptocurrency market. So if you have a lot of money, so let's talk about it. If you have probably like $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 or more to invest in the cryptocurrency market, my candid advice for you is to invest in established coin. Established coin simply means that coins that have been in the market for a very long time and have stood the test of time, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Ripple, and some coins like Cardano and the like. So those are established coins that have been in the cryptocurrency market for a very long time and they have stood the test of time. So let's talk about Bitcoin, for example. Bitcoin has been in the cryptocurrency market since 2009, and people have been accumulating Bitcoin since 2009, and the crypto market has witnessed at least 3 bull runs. And Bitcoin has always been available all this time. It has always given reasonable amount of ROI all these times, and it has never happened that Bitcoin came down in price and it found it very difficult to like rise in price again, because sometimes in the crypto market we see some coins that will have a massive hike in price, or let me say it will have a massive bull run that is going to give investors a lot of percentage. Some coins give 1,000% and more, and eventually the bear market comes and they go back to zero, and in the next bull run they are nowhere to be found. So there are some coins, if you have reasonable amount of money to invest in established coin that they are never going to go anywhere, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like Ripple, like Solana and BNB. Those are the top coins that I have absolute trust in, and I know that they are actually going nowhere and they will always be here in the cryptocurrency market. The second tip that's going to make you a lot of thousands in the cryptocurrency market is using dollar cost averaging. I've talked about dollar cost averaging a lot on my YouTube channel, and the importance of this concept can never be overemphasized. If you want to build a very big house and you don't have a lot of money with you, but then you have a job or you have a hustle that gives you some money, and you decide that every week whenever I get my paycheck, I am going to buy a brick or a block to build this house. And if you keep doing this every week for 1 to 3 years, you eventually find out that you have accumulated a lot of blocks that may be enough for you to build a house. That is what dollar cost averaging simply means. It means that you buy every bit, you buy bits and bits of every cryptocurrency asset you want to invest in. Let's say Bitcoin. You say, okay, every week, whether the price is going up or coming down, I don't mind. I don't give a damn about what is happening. I will just buy $10 worth of Bitcoin every week. And you do this for 2, 3, 4, 5 years. You eventually find out that when you accumulate all these coins and eventually the bull market comes and these coins skyrocket and give you like 5, 6, 7x, you are going to actually make a lot of money. So dollar cost averaging is something every crypto trader or investor should do, because it gives you the sense of saving a reasonable amount of money into your cryptocurrency wallet that is going to accumulate later and be something big. So imagine over the space of 2 years, you are able to save up to $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, and then the bull market comes. And when the bull market comes, this $10,000 now goes up to $100,000. That is 10x. Then you have made $100,000 worth of money in the cryptocurrency market. So that is one of the strategies you have to use to make a lot of money in the cryptocurrency market. Doing dollar cost averaging, buying Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency asset you have analyzed and you believe in bits, until the bull market comes and this money you have accumulated then give you a lot of ROI and you make a lot of money from it. The third way by which you can make a lot of money, at least $100,000 from the cryptocurrency market, is doing high risk and high reward investment. There are actually a lot of cryptocurrencies that are high risk coin. They are high risk and they are high reward. I already mentioned in the first tip that there are some established coins that you can invest in the cryptocurrency market, like Bitcoin. Those coins are low risk coins because they are actually not going to give you too many rewards. The highest probability is that you have a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or even 10x when you invest in them over a long period of time. But there are some coins, they are high risk coins, meaning that they are not yet established in the cryptocurrency market. Well, they might have been in the cryptocurrency for like 1 year or less, or even like 1.5 years. And anytime the bull market comes, they may skyrocket in price. Something like Bonk, for example, something like Shiba Inu in the last bull run. There are some people that bought Shiba Inu in the last bull run with like $50, $100, and they were able to turn this $50, $100 into $5,000, $10,000 because of the nature of the coin. It was a high risk coin, which means that if that does not happen, the coin might go to zero, because the coin do not really have a reasonable use case. It is just a meme coin that a lot of people jump on it. They buy it and they eventually say, okay, let's say the coin goes back to zero, then we are not going to put a lot of money and we will not lose a lot of money. But if eventually the coin skyrocket in price, we are going to make a lot of money. A coin like this is what we have in Bonk, B-O-N-K. It's one of the coins, it's a meme coin actually. It's one of the coins that has been rising in price over the past few weeks or few months. And a lot of people, there are a lot of hype built around it. I'm not saying you should buy, it's actually not a financial advice. I'm not saying you should go and buy Bonk, but it's a high risk and high reward coin that if eventually in the next few months when the bull market comes right in our eyes, it's likely going to give a massive reward. But it is a high risk investment, which means that the coin, because it does not have a real use case, it may actually go to zero. Or when it goes up and make people a lot of money and they refuse to take profit, it may actually go back to zero, and in the next few years we may never hear about it again. So that is what high risk and high reward coins mean. Coins that really have no use case, but a lot of hype is built around it and people buy it and eventually makes them money in most cases, and sometimes it wreck people, it wreck their investments and they do not hear about this coin again. The last tip on how you can make your first 100k is knowledge and patience. A lot of people come into the crypto market with the mindset of coming today, and after like 5-6 months, they're already driving a Lamborghini, they're already traveling to Dubai, to the Maldives, and other places. Crypto does not work like that. Crypto requires you to have a lot of knowledge about what you are doing. You have to understand that crypto is volatile. You have to understand that you need some skills like technical analysis, understanding fundamental analysis, and being able to control your mind, because it's a mind game. Sometimes you see a cryptocurrency and you eventually buy it, and maybe you are very greedy and you feel like, okay, the coin has given you profit, and you feel like, okay, let me just hold it to the moon, and eventually the coin does not go to the moon and it comes down from the sky, and you see it on the ground. So it happens a lot in the cryptocurrency market. So knowledge is very important. You have to understand how the market works and how to deal with the market, and you have to understand or learn the right mindset that you can use to make money from the market, and you have to be patient enough to be able to make money from the cryptocurrency market. If you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, and share with your friends, and I will see you in the next one.